Hello, welcome to the unboxing of another thing that might be useful in your smart home or just home. This time we will be opening cable management box. If you have a lot of electronics or gadgets, you probably have adapters all around. So if you want to conceal them or hide them from view, you need some box in which to put them. So since Xiaomi box is sold for like $20, $25, if you're lucky you might get it for $17, $18. I decided it was too expensive for just an ordinary box that'll be stashed behind a couch or hidden somewhere out of view. So I decided to try these cheaper versions, which are really nice and come in different colors. They're like in white, blue, or green. So this one is available on AliExpress for around $6. And its dimensions are 23.5 times 11.5 times 12 centimeters. So you can use it to store your adapters and hide your cables. Unlike Xiaomi box, it doesn't have anything on the bottom. So the cables must go for the side, but for my purposes, it's enough. So this is what you get with it. Just some wire, cables, and top. So just regular plastic box, but might come in handy. So I will use it to hide all my adapters. There are 3 sizes, and this is the smallest one. So if you have bigger adapters, you might want to buy a bigger cable box, but they're like more expensive, like $8 or $9. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. If you like my channel, please subscribe.